So now we're gonna see how it will run with these this fan. We're gonna try this fan. We're gonna try the grinder, and we're gonna try a shop vac. And I already tried a computer. That's not wattage. It works great, the computer. So first, let's try this fan. And this is, like I said, this wattage is 500 watts. So it'll run lights and maybe a fan, a few small things. But I just want to try it out with this other stuff. So first, what you want to do is just hit your power, turn it on, and you hear that the AC is on. And look at your plug. It's only one way to fit. You got one end that's bigger than the other, so this side is bigger. So you want to turn it and put it in there. So once we got it connected, let's start off with the small setting. We're gonna go with 1. Okay. Alright, it's blowing. It's on the low setting. Let's try 2. It's good for this fan so far. Let's try 3. Alright, it's running this fan. Let me rotate it, see what happens. The rotation. It's working pretty good on the fan. Alright, so I'm gonna unplug the fan. I don't know how long it's gonna run. I probably could do another video on that later, but it's throwing out a little air. So it is working. That 110 is working with the fan. It feels good out here, especially in Houston. So now I'm gonna try this wet vac. I don't think it'll work with this wet vac, but we're gonna try it anyway. We're gonna plug it in. All right, we got it plugged in. And I'm gonna hit the power. Nah, it didn't work. You see how it went out? So I'm gonna turn it off and reset it. Turn it back on. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna turn the power on. I'm gonna turn the power on. Okay, I'm gonna look at the screen once I turn it on. You ready? Here we go. That's it. So you can't run a wet vac with this thing, not with 500 watts. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plug the grinder in. I'm pretty sure it's gonna kick right off because that grinder is gonna pull too much. You ready? Oh, that's very strange. Wow, it's running a grinder. I didn't think it would. Okay. That was kind of strange. They do run a grinder. Let's try the wet vac. It may be something going on with my wet vac. And it could be because it has a ground on it. Not for sure. Let's try this wet vac again. Wet vac plugged in. I'm gonna turn it on. You ready? Oh, kicked off. As you can see, it ran the grinder and it runs my fan and it also runs the computer. So I think this is a pretty good setup right here. So if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.